Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial of Vroid. This video is gonna be a very short one than the usual because in this tutorial it's gonna be a simple one. We're gonna be showing how to make halos, like the little donut type of rings above a person's head. Usually they do that whenever it's an angel, or it's trying to be an angel, proving innocence. Versus may vary. Anywho, moving on. If you have subscribed, you know where this is going without any doubt. It's already here. And then we go over here. Hair, and then freehand grip. And then the left, mirror. I always have to zoom in. And it's really necessary. Okay, so in this one we'll be aligning slightly above it. We'll start with this one. It's not a lot that's gonna be made here. Just with this, it should be enough. You just have to make sure there's all leveled up. Nothing kind of wiggles out. Speaking of wiggling, this is a little bit off. I think the word is asymmetry. It's not perfectly circle. That should be enough. Alright, so now we just head to material hair, and then let's press duplicate. Okay. I'll be choosing the color yellow, not because it's mostly known like that, but because it actually will be standing out in this version. Or better yet say, this video tutorial. So now that we have everything, let's go to brush, and then just make a simple circle. Would be better with, there we go. Not the type of yellow that I'm preferring. Now let's try this again. You know what? I'll just leave it for tutorial purposes. Either way, it does stand out. There's always something extra being drawn there. Alright, so as always, if something doesn't go as planned or goes out of straight line, you just go over here to the famous control points, and you can actually just fix them now. That way there's not a lot of mess being noticed. No, I didn't tell you that. Here we go. Just to make sure that everything falls into place. Now, that's what you should be seeing. Sure, mine's a little bit way up above it, but you get the point. You might be a little angel. Who knows? You'll be a tutorial character. You'll be seeing him probably in the near future. If I get like 1,000 subscribers, I might do that little challenge, that milestone. Alright, let's leave it with milestone. You want to make it like the other type, like the king's crown. It's almost the same thing. Really does. There isn't much of a difference. This actually helped me. Here's how to make it like a crown type. Ish. Turn one. So that should be the tutorial for this video. If you like it, you can share with anyone that you know. You can subscribe to this channel, like it, thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.